So this is day 3 of me practicing English speaking. So I have already uploaded 2 videos on my YouTube channel. So this is day 3. So in this video I am going to tell you what I did to improve my English in day 3. So in today I woke up around 7 o'clock and after that I got free time in the evening only. So in the evening I have watched 2 English videos. For that 2 English videos I am going to give you link in the description box. So I have watched that 2 videos. So I suggest you guys, if you are also improving, you want to improve your English, so I suggest you to watch those 2 videos. So why you need to watch this video? So when you are going to watch those 2 videos, your listening will be good in English. Whenever you listen more and more English, you will capture more and more words in English. So you will automatically use those words in your future communication. That's why listening is so much important. And second, what I did, so second point is that you need to also repeat those sentences from the videos. So what you need to do is, if you are watching, for example, if you are watching one video, watch for at least 1 minute. After watching for 1 minute, if you like any one sentence from that video, so you need to repeat that video in loud voice. You need to speak that sentence in loud voice. You need to repeat that sentence at least twice. After that, again continue that video, again watch for at least 2 to 3 minutes, and if you again listen new sentence from that video, you can what you can do, you notice that sentence and pause that video and again repeat that sentence at least for 2 times. So you need to repeat that sentence 2 times in loud voice. So what is going to happen, whenever you repeat that sentence, it is going to capture in your mind. So in future whenever you're going to speak, that sentences and those words are automatically going to come in your mouth. That means your mouth will speak those sentences, those words. Your mouth will automatically, have a habit about speaking in that sentences. Those words will automatically come in your mind, and automatically you are going to speak those words and those sentences. So why I am saying like this. So I have proof that I have used this technique from long time, and this really works. That's why I suggest you guys you also need to watch one video for 1 minute, then take one sentence. If you like that sentence, then you need to repeat those sentence for at least 2 times in loud voice. So this is how I am right now improving my English. So I am also suggesting you guys you also need to use this technique. So this is the technique I am using right now. So in this video, so far I have used this technique for last 1 to 2 minutes. So now you can see that while I was talking in English, I was taking so many pauses, so many sometimes sentences was not coming in my mind. So I was stuck, but still I am practicing, still I am talking in English. So why this is important, because whenever you're going, this is the only one method that whenever you speak in English, then only you are going to speak in English. Your communication skills will improve. Your English speaking will improve. It doesn't matter if you know English properly or not, but you just have to start speaking in English from today onwards. It doesn't matter if someone is laughing at you, if someone is staring you, if you are speaking bad in English. It doesn't matter. You just need to start speaking in English from today only. So if you like my video, and if you want to keep supporting me, and if you want to also know the techniques that I am using to improve my English, I suggest you to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Let's meet into my next video, that is day 4. Okay, so bye.